Hi guys, management of the currency is the key role of RBI. What RBI ensures is adequate and clean supply of the cash in the economy. What they do is design, production and management of the currency. India's progress in the financial system and payment system has always been impressive. Then let it be from NEFT and RTGS in 2004 and 5 up to UPI in 2016. So to continue the same, RBI has launched its first pilot for the digital rupee on December 1, 2022. So in this video, we will be discussing about what is CBDC, what are the key motivations behind the launch of CBDC, and what are the types of CBDCs. So what are CBDCs? CBDC is a new variant of central bank money. It is different from the physical cash. It is still a legal tender, but the only difference is it is digital. Like any other sovereign currency, it can be used as a method of payment to exchange the commodities, and it can be also exchanged with the cash. It is a fungible tender, so you actually don't need a bank account to operate the transactions. So guys, then you will say, how is it different from the cryptocurrencies? The main aspect of cryptocurrencies is they are decentralized. But in the case of digital rupee and other CBDCs is they come under an institution which is Reserve Bank of India. So you guys will say, our payment system is working completely fine with the UPI. Then why we need the digital rupee? Let's take an example. You buy a chocolate of 10 rupees. You have a bank account in A bank and the merchant has the bank account in B bank. You pay via the scan code using UPI, Google Pay and Phone Pay or any other payment method. What will happen is that 10 rupees from bank A to bank B will be transferred within 1 to 5 working days. But इसमें भी और complications है. Let me explain. There are thousands of transactions like this going on at a single point of time. So after all these transactions, after a week, if bank A has to transfer 100 crores to bank B and bank B has to transfer 80 crores to bank A, what bank A will do is they will just transfer the net amount of 20 crores, and this will happen in 1 to 5 working days, and it is real time but not almost real time. So what CBDC will do is it will make it more real time. CBDC will take just 1 to 2 days to transfer the amount, and that makes it more real time, and that's the difference. So what are the key motivations behind the launch of CBDC? 1. Management of physical cash is being a little bit of sardar. We want to reduce the usage of physical cash. As per the RBI, in financial year 21-22, we have just spent 5,000 crores approx just on the management of physical cash. Yaar. Isn't it too much? And we also want to achieve our aim of cashless economy. Second, बांटने में दर्द. Physical currency यार. Distribution of the physical currency with the countries where they have huge geographical barriers is very much difficult. एक example देता हूँ. A country like Bahama, which is comprised of more than 700 islands, distributing the physical currency there is again an headache. So before it may take a day there or a week or even a month sometimes to distribute the physical currency. But now they have started using the digital currency. The distribution is on one click. We deal with the same issue in India. Some places in India take a lot of time to delivery of the physical cash. वहां तक cash पहुंचाना is a challenge in itself. So with the help of digital currency, we will be distributing the cash there and providing the cash there with just a click. Third, issues faced in cross-border payment and transaction. So let's take an example. Rahul lives in USA and being a good son, he wants to send the money to his parents who live in India. So when he will go to the bank, perform all the processes, there is a transaction fee charged on him. There is a lot of time taken to send the money from the US to India. And so to deal with this, CBDC is going to help us. As per the World Bank, India is the largest recipient of the remittance in the world. In the year 2021 itself, India has received over $87 billion from the USA being the source. Fourth, to safeguard the interest of national currencies against the cryptocurrencies. Not saying that cryptos are bad, but yes, it is a double-edged sword. Many cryptos are used for whitewashing the money, laundering the money, and this threatens the national currency. In severe cases, there may be a rise of parallel economy also. So let's now discuss what are the types of CBDCs. So CBDCs are divided in two types. First, retail, that is CBDCR, and second, wholesale, that is CBDCW. So CBDCR, which are retail ones, will be used in the payment system of private sector, and the CBDCW, which are wholesale ones, will be used in the interbank payment systems. So is it India who wants to implement the digital rupee successfully? Nah bhai, it's also Russia, China and USA and many other countries in this race. But if we implement it successfully, will India be the next economic superpower? Will we replace the China in the world economic order? Will this system replace the SWIFT system of payment? The only answer is time. Wait and watch. But if you want to watch more smart content like this, more insightful content like this, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video, and this is Bharat Bedekar signing off.